Good evening guys, good evening. This is final championship game in senior category. Played between cluster 6 and cluster 1, intercluster here in Barangay Buena Vista. Okay, first quarter, jump ball. Okay, sugod na. First ball lagi, 2 for 3. Wala. Porcilia. First foul, jersey number 22. First foul, Lawit. Second team foul. Full house na yun yung mga par. Nako, my goodness. Yeah. O sabi ka istorya na ito sa hawak ka. Okay, ato mabutan ka Barangay Talon. Okay, kaway-kaway. Ito na! My goodness!